welcome to my little DIY kindness channel. I am so glad that you're joining me today. I'm just gonna jump into it, tell you guys what we're doing, where we're going, and I'm really excited. So we are gonna go to the local police station today, and we're just gonna drop off some gifts for the police officers that are there. I have never done this with my kids. I really don't know what to expect. I was given a little insight on what things are okay to drop off and what things are not really okay, such as like baked, don't hand make cookies or something like that and then drop it off. But as long as it's stuff that you've bought that is packaged or gift cards, then that works really well. So we're gonna go try it. I'm kind of just assuming that I'm not gonna be able to record once I'm in the police station, but we'll see. We'll see if I can maybe get any friendly police officers to come say hi on the vlog or anything like that. But if not, I'm still gonna take you guys with me as much as I possibly can and show you what we're doing. Now, I just bought a gift of 12 of these. I honestly don't even know how many police officers will be at the station today. So I have no idea, but I bought these, which is 12. I got these from Walmart, and I liked them just because of the blue color, and I thought it really fit well. And then I also bought, let me show you guys. I also bought a case of these Frappuccinos, which I think is really cute. So I'm going to be giving them a Frappuccino with a card. There's a set of 12 in here, so that really worked out perfectly. I think if you wanted to do this and you wanted to do like a little gift bag and do like energy drinks, or I saw a lot of them that had like lollipops in them or gum. There's like a lot of different things that you could probably throw in a gift bag to give to an officer. I really think that it would be cool to do like coffee gift cards, get a bunch of Dunkin' or Starbucks gift cards, just put like $5 on a few cards and hand them in. I think that would be a really good way. Gas cards would probably be excellent also if you do this. I was able to get my hands on a whole bunch of melting pot gift cards, and so I'm gonna be putting a whole bunch of those in each one of my cards, and so I think that's gonna be a huge blessing to them, and I'm excited. We're just gonna go do that. We're gonna hopefully just bring them a little bit of encouragement. Who knows what their day and their week is gonna hold, and just to make them smile. And I think it'll be exciting for my kids too. They've never done anything like this. They've never gone into a police station. They tend to be pretty good about just stopping police officers when they see them and telling them thank you, and firefighters and other people like that in service. So I think they're really gonna enjoy this. And so this is a fun one. If you have kids and they're just really love police officers, it's a good opportunity just to go bring your kids with you, go do something kind, and make a little difference hopefully in their day. So I'm sitting here working on the cards and stuff, and I've decided to do 7 instead of the 12, and that's just because I want to make sure I can give them more than one of these each. And so that's the best way for me to divide this up. You could do 1, you could do 2, you could do 3. Honestly, it's up to you. And like I said, I don't know how many people are actually gonna even be in there today. So we're just gonna go ahead and go with 7, and I'm sure that's gonna be good. Leo, what are you writing in your card?
Like, what did I write?
What are you thinking you're gonna say, basically?
Thank you for what you do and for your service and for protecting us and for sacrificing your life for other people, and that.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. And you said you were thinking of drawing a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom?
Yeah.
What's a word you can use for like opposite of selfish?
The opposite of selfish?
Is there like a word for that?
Generous.
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy. I put them all together, so all of those will go in one.
Ooh.
So if you want to even put it in your envelope.
A lot of them.
Yep.
Okay.
So put all of those in that pile, and then you can put it in there. We'll put those in the card and then fold it. Mm-hmm. Yep. And then just make sure it's face down when you put it in there, maybe. Or face up, actually. Maybe that would be easier. Yeah.
Thanks a million. Sounds like a shop that gives thank you cards. And I'll just lick it.
Sure. Do you want to write like police officer or just police on the front of it? On the front, that's the back. This side. Thanks, bud.
Can you turn that one off?
I like your police officer man. Hold it still for a minute. Nice job. You want to put those in your card, and then here's an envelope. Yeah, you can put it in this way. Okay, you guys, so I had originally did a hole puncher in all the envelopes and then tied them to the bottles, and then all of them ended up falling off, like they just ripped off. And so I had to, let me show you, I got an express bag. I had to put them all in here. I had to re-envelope all of them, and so I put them in these baggies with the drinks, which is definitely better. And so if you end up doing something like that, you could always even throw extra little things in there. So that's what we did. We're here right now and we're about to go in. Honestly, we have no idea like even which one of these entrances to go in or how this is gonna work, but we'll let you know. And so we're gonna go. Okay, you guys, that was seriously so fast. There really would have been nothing for me to even record. We went in, but there would have been nothing for you guys to really see.
We went in.
So you go up to the door, and if you're like me and you've just never gone into a police station before, this is information for you. You basically go up to the entrance. It's very clear what's the public entrance. So you go up there, and then they have to allow you in. So he let us in, and then it's just one guy behind like a, what would you call that? He's basically behind like a clear screen thing. So you talk to him through there, and we just let him know we had gifts that we were dropping off for some of the officers, and he said okay. He came out and took the gifts from us, and that was it. And so, right, you guys?
Yeah.
Anything you guys have to say about that? Just that it was fast and easy?
Yeah, it was very really easy, and it was probably one of the easiest things we've ever done, and you should definitely try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was basically a 10-second video.
Well,
you just walk in, give it to, well, if they let you in.
They'll let you in.
And then give it to them and
that's it.
you're out.
Yeah, and then you walk out. Yep. So we did that, but that was definitely enjoyable, and hopefully it will, you know, make them smile and be an encouragement to them. And so if you want to do something that's kind and nice and encouraging and uplifting, and maybe something that your kiddos would enjoy, but you don't have a lot of time to spend, this is the perfect act of kindness for you to do, because it's very quick. You can assemble the bags and get everything ready on your own time and then just drop it off, and it's simple, really simple. So I hope you guys try this act of kindness. If you do, let me know in the comments below, or tag me in any of your photos. If you go and do this, let me know that you did it, and I will share that on one of my public posts on my social media. And as always, don't forget to hit that comment button and like these videos and follow along on our acts of kindness journey. And I hope you can be a part of it, because that's the point, to do this together and to make a difference wherever you go. One of you guys wanna bye.